spending hours wrestling with a heavy, scorching hot blow dryer in one hand and a bulky round brush in the other, only to end up with frizzy, heat-damaged hair or a style that collapses the second you step outside, is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins your morning routine. Traditional hot tools trap you in a frustrating cycle of frying your hair with extreme heat just to get a decent curl or smooth blowout, leaving your strands dry, brittle, and broken over time. The Shark FlexFusion Hair Dryer with Fusion Hairbrush HD641 completely rescues you from styling fatigue and heat damage, functioning as a high-velocity, multi-configurable styling workstation engineered to deliver salon-quality, long-lasting results using the power of air instead of extreme heat. Don't let its sleek, lightweight metallic mist chassis fool you. This multi-styler packs a heavy-duty, high-velocity air engine that instantly pivots from a powerful hair dryer into a versatile styling wand with a simple twist. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its revolutionary FlexFusion styling matrix. By combining advanced, co-end-effect aerodynamic airflows with heated ceramic plates inside the attachments, it shapes and sets your hair simultaneously. The included Fusion hairbrush uses this dual-action heat and air to dry, volumize, and smooth your hair all at once, giving you that bouncy, professional salon blowout look on both wet and dry hair without the frizz. Engineered to be the ultimate, all-in-one hair health upgrade, this system comes completely optimized with auto-wrap hair curlers that use automatic air suction to wrap, curl, and set your hair automatically, along with a precision styling concentrator for sleek, straight looks. The intelligent thermal sensor monitors the air temperature up to 1,000 times per second to ensure it never exceeds hair-safe limits, protecting your natural shine and preventing split ends. Complete with customizable heat and airflow settings alongside a dedicated cool shot button to lock in your style all day. It is the ultimate, stress-free luxury upgrade for busy professionals, beauty enthusiasts, and anyone who demands uncompromised styling versatility without sacrificing the health of their hair. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are grabbing this Shark FlexFusion to master effortless, everyday beachy waves or to cut your morning blowout time in half. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart beauty tech, hair care gear reviews, and premium product breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.